Hello, and welcome to Fun Felt Friday. My name is Christina, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Today, I have a fun felt story for you about my friend, Smiley the Snowman. Let's get started. First, let's talk about building a snowman. Have any of you ever built a snowman? What do we need to do to build a snowman? Yes, we need to get snow. So let's gather our snow. Okay, here's my snow, gathering my snow. Then we need to make our snow into a ball. Let's form it into a ball and make it nice and round. Okay, here's my snow and it's nice and round. Then let's make 3 piles of snow and pile it all together. You ready? Okay, here's our first pile of snow. And we're piling it on top of each other, okay? There we go. Okay. Now, what's next? There's our snowman, but what else do we need? I think our snowman could use some arms. So what could we use for arms? Let's find some tree branches. Here's some tree branches. There's our tree branches for our snowman's arms. Okay. Now, what's next? I think our snowman needs to see. So let's give him some eyes so he can see. There's our snowman's eyes. Okay. What's next? What else does our snowman need? I think our snowman needs to be able to smell. So what can we give our snowman for a nose? Any guesses? Yes, a carrot. So let's give him a carrot for his nose. Okay. And what's next? I think our snowman needs to stay warm. So what could we give him to stay warm? Yes, a scarf. Let's put a scarf on our snowman. All right, there's our scarf. Now, what do you think will keep the top of our snowman's head warm? Yes, a hat. So let's give our snowman a hat. Okay. Now that our snowman is nice and warm, our snowman is going to be nice and warm and cozy. And I think his cheeks will be nice and rosy. There's our snowman. Wait, but he's Smiley the Snowman, so what is he missing? A smile. That's right. Let's give our snowman a smile. There we go. There's Smiley the Snowman. Great job. Now I have a rhyme for you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Smiley the Snowman. I'm a little snowman, short and round. Here is my nose. Here is my hat. Here are some buttons so I can see. Then I'll be as happy as can be. When I'm cold, what do I use to keep me warm? I use my scarf to protect me from the storm. Then my cheeks get rosy, but I'm nice and cozy. When it's cold outside, I come out to play. But when the sun comes out, I melt away. Our snowman melted away with the sun. Until next time, Smiley the Snowman. Great job, everybody. We hope you enjoyed Fun Felt Friday. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.